Hey, Jefferson Multimedia, what's up? I want to redo the grading sheet for the recipe card to make sure that we know what to do when we're doing each step properly as we go. So if you look, there's something new at the top. I want you to list the website where you found your recipe. Mine was at food.com. Underneath, I want you to show me what your ingredients were after you paraphrased them. Now, I had 5 lines worth of stuff. We need to have 7 lines or less, so there's 2 blank lines down here. And since I had 5 lines of ingredients after I paraphrased, I also paraphrased my directions to have 5 lines, so it would be symmetrical. So it would look the same on both sides when I was finished. So on this side, I wrote my ingredients after I paraphrased them. On the other side, I wrote my directions after I paraphrased them. Notice I've kept them really short so that they can be 1 line each. I've really condensed and boiled them down. So write your ingredients on one side and write your directions on the other side. When it comes to grading format, what am I looking for? The page needs to be split into 2 columns, and remember that's always insert, table, and then 2 by 1. Each new line of text is capitalized, and each ingredient and each instruction is 1 line only. And there are no extra spaces before or in between words. A lot of us will do something like this. So look at your work. Make sure that if your text is on the left-hand side, everything is anchored to that left side margin. If you're on the right-hand side, everything is anchored to that right-hand margin. In the paraphrase section, numbers are spelled out, 1, 2, 3. Ingredients and instructions are summarized well. They're easy to understand, and your spelling is perfect. Check your spelling, make sure that's good. But for the writing, that's all we need. So for the second part, let's look at the finished card itself. The template I used is called blank, and then you put the name of the template that you used. The original recipe was blank, and then I changed it to blank. So fill this sheet out as you go. I want to keep track of what you've done and how you've changed it. So I'll want to look at the original template and compare it to yours. That's why I asked you to click on favorites as you go. And I did that in my example. I did this French toast piece. But where did I get it from? It was from the Italian Cooking Masterclass. So I want to see the original template and then what you changed it into. When I look at the text, is it centered well? Make sure you have 1 space between your words. Don't add those extra spaces. And look to see if they're there or not. Do you have 7 lines or less for your ingredients and your directions? Is it neat and tidy, and is it easy to read? Looking at the pics, is everything clear and in focus? Can I see everything? And your template should be mainly photos. Remember, there's not a lot of text. The pic takes up most of the space. And I even deleted the stuff down here at the bottom when I did mine, so the picture was even bigger. Grammar and spelling, how's your capitalization? Do you capitalize each new line? Is end punctuation the same throughout? If you use a period at the end of your directions, make sure you do that with every single line. If you don't, make sure you don't with every single line. Make sure you're consistent. And then with the layout, same amount of things left to right and top to bottom. And do you have even spacing on all of your edges? Do you have the same amount on the left as you do on the right? That's what we're looking for. So if you can't list all of the stuff at the top, dude, start again. We are rushing through this assignment so quickly, but then you can't tell me how you did it. So I want you to show your work, and I'll grade that way. Remember, take the time. We have 16 days left. So don't be in a rush to do something and then not be able to tell me how you did it when you're finished. This is kind of like math. I want us to show our work, and this form is how I'm going to do that. That's all I got. Thanks. Bye-bye.